Don't be afraid of enemies who attack you. Be afraid of the friends who flatter you. Develop success from failures. Discouragement and failure are two of the surest stepping stones to success. Success is getting what you want. Happiness is wanting what you get. People rarely succeed unless they have fun in what they are doing. Today is the tomorrow you worried about yesterday. Talk to someone about themselves, and they'll listen for hours. Be wiser than other people, if you can, but do not tell them so. Actions speak louder than words, and a smile says, "I like you. You make me happy. I am glad to see you." Even God doesn't propose to judge a man till his last days. Why should you and I? Our thoughts make us what we are. Knowledge isn't power until it is applied. No matter what happens, always be yourself. Nothing can bring you peace but yourself. Two men looked out from prison bars. One saw the mud, the other saw stars. You can't win an argument. You can't, because if you lose it, you lose it. And if you win it, you lose it. One reason why birds and horses are not unhappy is because they are not trying to impress other birds and horses. A man, convinced against his will, is of the same opinion still. To be interesting, be interested. Happiness doesn't depend upon who you are or what you have. It depends solely upon what you think. All men have fears, but the brave put down their fears and go forward, sometimes to death, but always to victory. Today is our most precious possession. It is our only sure possession. If you want to gather honey, don't kick over the beehive. Our fatigue is often caused not by work, but by worry, frustration, and resentment. You can measure the size of a person by what makes him or her angry. Criticism is dangerous because it wounds a person's precious pride, hurt his sense of importance, and arouse resentment. Once I did bad, and that I heard ever. Twice I did good, but that I heard never. If you want to keep happiness, you have to share it. Only knowledge that is used sticks in your mind. When fate hands you lemons, make lemonade. You'll never achieve real success unless you like what you're doing. Winning friends begins with friendliness. The expression, one wears on one's face, is far more important than the clothes one wears on one's back. Flattery is telling the other person precisely what he thinks about himself. There is only one way, under high heaven, to get the best of an argument, and that is to avoid it. Flaming enthusiasm, backed by horse sense and persistence, is the quality that most frequently makes for success. We are interested in others when they are interested in us. The successful man will profit from his mistakes and try again in a different way. Thank you for watching and for supporting us.